All right, after a long day of travel, finally here for Eric Lou's bachelor party. What's up?
I'm Eric. My back.
Asian Eric. We're at round one here somewhere in Connecticut, I believe.
No, we're in New York.
Oh, we're still in New York. Round one, baby, Japanese.
Getting hype over a fishing game, man.
Fishing game, bro. Fishing game.
I'm tired. No, you gotta keep playing until 95.
I don't know. I wanted to play. I know. This is yeah, that shit's Frieza, man. Alright, Adam versus John.
Tomorrow.
So we are here at Supercharged for Eric's birthday, bachelor party. We're gonna go fucking
This guy vlogs, get on his vlog.
What up, y'all? Let me put a plug in real quick. I got no connections on the Tomorrow.
Alright, we are currently in Mohegan Sun. Everyone is gambling. I don't gamble. We don't gamble. I'm drunk. But we're gonna go check out the Mohegan Sun. There's like cool shit like that and other things, but let's check it out.
I'm just really confused. Where's the Epcot Center?
Next out here getting shots.
Look at this frame.
Josh out here getting shots.
Oh, wait.
Christmas trees out here. Yeah, it's the holidays. Lose all your money, bro. Like Lone Wolf. Here he is. So currently right now it is Josh, Nags, and myself. We are watching the Native American Gallery because we do not gamble and I am drunk. Alright, we are at...
I won't lie, you look rough.
I look rough. I know. I'm tired. Okay? We're here for Eric. Oh, sorry, sir.
Thank you.
I was like, yeah.
Ooh, cheers. Look at that. Alright, so we're here for Eric's birthday dinner.
Yeah. Hey, you're on the vlog.
Literally out.
Hey, it's a vlog. What up?
Time for dinner. We're here.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
That shit you mine. Alright. Hey, you're on the vlog. It's your batch, but I'm on the phone.
I was trying to post pictures of my baby. I can't find a video.
Linguini. Say it for the camera. Linguini.
Linguini.
Yeah.
What are they?
Linguini.
Tomorrow.
Alright, it's the last day. We are all packed up. I fell asleep very early last night. My body just decided it couldn't take it anymore. No matter how much coffee I drank, finally fell asleep. So we're heading back to Jersey. I'm gonna take a train from, this time, Newark. There was a whole crazy thing that happened, but going from Newark to Baltimore. It's been a great time here in Connecticut. Had a great time at Eric Lou's bachelor party. Met a lot of cool people, but it's time to go home. So let's head back.